The drama starts here. Well, let me tell you something, honey. If you want drama, you came to the right place because I'll give it to you here.
Stop all the bullshit and get to the point. Now, you want to know what I do for a living? Ask me. My time is very expensive, Mr. McMillan, probably more than yours. I get $500 an hour. How much do you get?
Right.
I get $400 for a straight lay, $300 for a hand job, and $500 for head.
Right.
If you want to wear my panties, that's another $100. You take them home, Mr. McMillan. That's another $100. No whips, no ropes, no spikes. I've got liquor and grass. Anything else, you bring your own. It works like this. You call me up. We make a date. I look you over. And if I like you, we make a deal. And darling, I am worth the trouble. Take my word for it. If you want the best. Do you want the best, Mr. McMillan? I am talking about taking your body to heaven and sending your mind south. I'm talking about spoiling you so bad you'll hate every other woman you touch. I'm talking about my mouth and your mouth and my tongue. Anywhere you want it. I'm talking about indulging your every fantasy and then giving you those fantasies one by one. Just for you. All for you. Nobody but you. You get all that, darling? Would you like that, baby? You get what I'm telling you? Do you all get what I'm telling you?
My life is a drama with a beginning, a middle, and no end. Sometimes I just want to be alone. My nerves can't take it. The drama.
You think this has nothing to do with you. You go to your closet and you select, I don't know, that lumpy blue sweater, for instance, because you're trying to tell the world that you take yourself too seriously to care about what you put on your back. But what you don't know is that that sweater is not just blue, it's not turquoise, it's not lapis, it's actually cerulean. We're also blithely unaware of the fact that in 2002, Oscar de la Renta did a collection of cerulean gowns, and then I think it was Yves Saint Laurent, wasn't it, who showed cerulean military jackets? I think we need a jacket here. And then then cerulean quickly showed up in the collections of 8 different designers. And then it filtered down through the department stores and then trickled on down into some tragic casual corner where you no doubt fished it out of some clearance bin. However, that blue represents millions of dollars and countless jobs. And it's sort of comical how you think that you made a choice that exempts you from the fashion industry when in fact you're wearing a sweater that was selected for you by the people in this room from a pile of stuff.
You just need one of those non-creative people to get on your nerves. You know what I mean? I need a break. The drama of it all.
Barbara, please! Please, Barbara! Please, Barbara! Barbara, please!
Pop! Pop!
That was acting. Thank you.
I don't think I can take much more of this. Darling, please. Don't bother me right now. I'm having one of my moments. The drama of it all. I'll be all right in a minute.
That's all.
Just because you happen to be in the club with the most beautiful man, and they're all jealous and throwing drama all over the room. Close your mouth and stop drooling. He's mine.